Hey everyone! I'm diving into something really cool today. Chatgpt, the cutting-edge AI by OpenAI that's been taking the tech world by storm. Whether you're a tech wizard or just curious about AI, stick around because I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of Chatgpt in just a few minutes. First off, what is Chatgpt? Well, it's a type of AI designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can chat, answer questions, and even help you write code. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Now let's get you started. The first thing you need to do is visit the OpenAI website and sign up for access to ChatGPT. It's super straightforward. Just enter your email, set up a password, and boom, you're in. Once you're signed up, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's where the fun begins. You can start by simply typing a question or a prompt into the chat box. Want to know about the latest tech trends? Or maybe need some help with a coding problem? Just type it in. ChatGPT responds almost instantly. The responses are not only quick, but surprisingly detailed and accurate. But here's a pro tip. The more specific your question, the better the answer. So if you're looking for something detailed, make sure your questions are precise. And there's more. You can customize the responses. Need the answer in a specific tone or style? ChatGPT can adjust to that. This makes it incredibly versatile whether you're drafting an email, learning about new topics, or even creating content. Now, while ChatGPT is powerful, remember it's not perfect. Always double-check the information, especially if you're using it for important tasks. But the potential is huge. From automating mundane tasks to getting homework help, ChatGPT is like having a little assistant right in your pocket. So why not give it a try? Experiment with different questions and prompts and see how it can aid your daily tech needs or satisfy your curiosity about AI. Trust me, playing around with ChatGPT not only helps you understand AI better, but also opens up a world of possibilities. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you found this quick guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.